close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment. Washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are, this unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Allowing yourself to remember that it is here for you as much as anyone else. And in this place, go ahead and imagine other people. And you might imagine it as though this is a video game. And these other people are characters in the game. Some of them are there for you to aid, and some of them might challenge you. And if you step back, you can think, like in a video game, the opponents in a video game are just digital. There's no malice. It's not personal. They're just there to help you increase your skill level. Every interaction that you have with these other characters is an opportunity to increase your skill level, to get better and better at the game. You can imagine your score going up, and at the same time allowing yourself to relax, knowing that while it's fun to increase your score, allowing yourself to know that there's no quota. There isn't a certain score that you need to reach by a certain time in order to prove anything. As humans, we get caught up in old programming about what we need to prove and what we need to do by when to prove that we're enough. And allowing yourself to relax and know that you are already enough. And now you can allow yourself to relax and enjoy the game. Feeling that desire to increase your skill level, feeling that desire to raise your score. And allowing yourself to be grateful to all of the characters that show up to help you up-level your skill level, to help you become a better version of yourself, to help you reach more of your potential. Enjoying discovering more of your potential without feeling the pressure of having to reach a certain level. And don't be surprised as you find yourself with greater freedom to get better and better without the pressure of having to get better and better. When we don't feel the pressure to do more, we often find the resources and energy to be able to do more. So giving yourself permission to just feel loving energy flowing through every fiber of your being. And the more love you feel inside, the more love you can send out to others. That might be the thing that you do in this particular video game, is sending out love blasts. Just imagine sending those out wherever you can. And always making sure that you have plenty inside. Allowing yourself to feel more and more love inside as we go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling more peace, more love, feeling a greater freedom to take care of yourself, which gives you more freedom to do good for others. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake, and welcome back.